Hello everyone. In this video of chapter elements of group 13, 14 and 15, I am going to talk about allotropes of phosphorus, structure of boron trichloride, structure of aluminium chloride, structure of orthoboric acid, structure of diborane, silica, nitric acid and phosphoric acid. Now allotropes of phosphorus. Phosphorus is found in different allotropic forms and the important ones are white phosphorus and red phosphorus. As you are seeing on the screen, the structure of white phosphorus, it is also called yellow phosphorus. White phosphorus consists of discrete tetrahedral P4 molecules and the bond angle in between three phosphorus atom is 60 degree. This is the tetrahedral geometry of one phosphorus molecule, which is tetratomic. It is less stable and that is why it is more reactive. It is translucent, waxy, white solid. It used to glow in dark and this phenomena is called as chemiluminescence. It is insoluble in water but dissolved in boiling NaOH solution and it is poisonous. Whereas if we talk about red phosphorus, this is the structure of red phosphorus consists of chain of P4 tetrahedral links together by covalent bond, like you are seeing in the structure right here. There is a chain of P4 tetrahedra. It is stable, it is comparatively less reactive, it is odorless, it has a luster and it is a luster of iron gray color. It does not glow in dark. That means it does not have the chemiluminescence property. It is insoluble in water like white phosphorus and it is non-poisonous. Now, some structures of the compounds belonging to group 13, 14 and 15. And the first structure we are going to talk about is boron trichloride. Boron trichloride is having formula BCl3 and it is a covalent compound. In between boron and chlorine atom there is a single covalent bond. Similarly, the another chlorine atom is bonded also with single covalent bond with boron and same with the third chlorine atom also. Here boron atom is sp2 hybridized having one vacant unhybridized p orbital, and you all know boron in boron trichloride has incomplete octet. It is non-polar molecule and the geometry of this molecule is trigonal planar and the bond angle if you are seeing here in the diagram is 120 degree. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium atom in aluminium chloride is sp2 hybridized and with one vacant unhybrid p orbital. Aluminium chloride exists as a dimer. Dimer means Al2Cl6. It used to exist in form of Al2Cl6 formed by the overlap of vacant 3d orbital of aluminium with lone pair of electron of a chlorine atom. Here you are seeing structure here. Aluminium 3 electrons are bonded with 3 chlorine atoms by sigma covalent bond. Similarly, with another AlCl3 molecule, the 3 sigma bonds are forming in between aluminium chlorine and aluminium chlorine, and there is one kind of bonding here in between aluminium and chlorine. How it is happening? The vacant 3d orbital of aluminium is bonded with the lone pair of the chlorine atom. The similar things is happening in case of this aluminium and this chlorine atom. Third structure is orthoboric acid or boric acid. Its molecular formula or chemical formula is H3BO3 and solid orthoboric acid has layered crystal structure. in which trigonal planar BOH whole thrice units are joined together by hydrogen bonds. Here, if we see the structure of boric acid, one boron atom is bonded with 3OH group. If we see this boron, it is bonded with this one OH, another OH group is here, and another group OH group is right here. And what is happening in between oxygen and hydrogen of different molecule? There is a hydrogen bond is also forming. Now, diborane. Diborane molecular formula is B2H6, and we all know boron has 3 valence electrons. In diborane, each boron atom is sp3 hybridized, and 3 of such hybrid orbitals are half filled, and 4th sp3 hybrid orbital become vacant. I am repeating, after hybridization we will get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, where 3 hybrid orbitals are half filled and 4th hybrid orbital is vacant. Now here, if we see the structure, boron 2 hybrid orbital, this one boron 2 hybrid orbital used to form 2 sigma covalent bond, or used to overlap with 1 s of hydrogen atom to form 1 sigma covalent bond. And hydrogen atom located at the terminal here, these are called terminal hydrogen. Similarly, in this with this boron atom, these two hydrogen are called terminal hydrogen, which are overlapping with this sp3 hybridized orbital of boron to form a sigma bond. And now with this boron, one sp3 hybrid orbital which is having 1 electron and 1 vacant hybrid sp3 hybrid orbital is remaining. Now what will happen? They used to form, these two boron atom with 1 hydrogen atom, they used to form one kind of banana bond, or the 3 centers. This is one center, another center is hydrogen, and third center is boron. These 3 centers are bonded with 2 electrons. How 2 electron? 1 electron with this sp3 hybrid orbital and 1 electron of 1s, and this orbital is vacant orbital, which is sp3 hybrid orbital of this boron atom. These 3 center are forming bond with the help of 2 electron, and such bonds are called banana bonds, and it is also be denoted by 3C-2E. Similarly, this boron which is having sp3 hybrid orbital and it is vacant is bonding, or you can say it is overlapping with 1s and the sp3 hybrid orbital, where 1 electron is there in boron atom. They used to form another banana bond or bridge, where there are 3 centers involved and 2 electrons are involved. Hydrogen atoms involved in 3C-2E bonds are the bridging hydrogen atoms. In diborane, 2 boron atoms and 4 terminal hydrogen atoms lie in a same plane. These 4 plus these 2 atoms lie in a same plane, whereas the 2 bridging hydrogen atoms That means this hydrogen and this hydrogen atoms lie symmetrically above and below this plane. So this is the structure of diborane. Now silica or silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide is commonly known as silica. It is found as quartz, cristobalite, and tridymite in different. These are the different crystalline form of silica. These are interconvertible at suitable temperature. Silica is covalent three-dimensional network of solid in which silicon atom is covalently bound in tetrahedral manner to 4 oxygen atom. You are seeing in the structure here. The crystal contains 8 membered rings having alternate silicon and oxygen atoms. Then orthophosphoric acid or phosphoric acid, formula is H3PO4. Phosphorus form number of oxy acid, and this is one of the oxy acid of phosphorus, and it is a strong non-toxic mineral acid. It contains 3 ionizable acidic hydrogen, and the central phosphorus is tetrahedral. And the nitric acid you know already, it is a strong oxidizing mineral acid. The central nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized, and nitric acid exhibit resonance phenomena. These two are the canonical forms, and this is the resonance hybrid of nitric acid. Thank you.